Hey, what's up? It's Ryan, and I'm going to show you guys how to make a flapping bird, okay, out of paper. So, the first thing you're going to have to do is you have to make paper into a square. So how you do that is you take one side of the paper and fold it down so you could make it into a square and then make a nice crease. So now you have something that looks like that, okay? And then you don't want all this paper, so you want to cut that off with scissors. Alright, then when you open it up, make a nice crease. When you open it up, you should have a square with a diagonal line going through. And now what you want to do is you want to put it flat and then fold it so it looks, so you fold it in half. Okay, make a nice crease so you have something that looks like this. Okay, and you open it back up again and you fold it on the diagonal line. You can see that, like an X kind of thing. So you want to fold it on the diagonal line again. And then now you have that with this. Alright, so now what you want to do is you want to take this side and you want to fold it in towards the center and fold it. It gets kind of tricky, but not too tricky. Just stay with me. Okay. Okay. Alright, so now you should have something that looks like a lot like this. Okay. Now do the same thing for the other side. Okay, so now you have a diamond, and then if you fold it good, there's a faint line that goes all the way this part to this part, and you have two sides of that. Alright, now we're going to do what's called the petal fold, but to make the petal fold a lot easier, you want to take one side and you want to fold it. You want to fold this into the center line, the faint center line, and you go ahead and do that. Alright, and then you have that. And then do the same for the remaining three sides. Okay, so now you have something that looks like this. And then now we're going to take this and we're going to fold it towards the back, or whatever you want to do, towards like that, and you want to make a nice crease. Alright, make a nice crease. Okay, so and then open it up and flip it over and then fold it again on the other side just to make it a little bit easier. And make a nice crease. Alright, now we unfold all of the things we folded. So we're back to a diamond shape. Okay, now what we do is we take one of the sides that comes off, so like that, and you want to lift it up, and you'll see, this is what it looks like from the inside. You'll see that these two sides want to go in towards the center, so you want to lift this up and you want to push these inside, and you want to just make sure that they're pushed. You want to push them inside, and the creases that you made should help it fold in towards the center. Okay, so that's one side done, and then just flatten it. Alright, so now you have something that looks like this, and then you want to flip it over, and you want to do the same thing that you did for this side on this side. Okay, now you have two flaps on the bottom that can flap and two on the top that stay put. So what you want to do is you want to put the two flaps that flap towards you, alright, and then you want to pick it up like this so you're not confused, and you want to open one side like this and fold one flap up into it as far as it can go. Okay. So it's like that, and then you just fold it right like that. So now you have something that looks like that, and then do the same for the other side. Okay, so now you have something that looks like this. If you open two of the flaps, the flap that's inside it, you want to pull down just a little bit and then fold it. So there's a line. If you could see it, there's a line that goes right there, and that's where you want it. And I'm gonna do the right side. And what you do for this is you want to open the two. And then this is going to be the head, and then you just fold it for the length of the head, push it in, and then close it. So it looks like that, and when you close it, take out the part that you folded, and then you want to fold it again. Alright, so then you have it like that. And then take the other side for the tail, pull it down a little bit, and then do the same thing, but you don't want to make the head again. Okay, now you just fold the wings down, and then you have finished. And now you want to fold the wings down, so the hump is kind of out like that. There's going to be a hump right there, and then you already have this one. So what you do is you take the other one, and then you fold it and you match the other one. Okay, and now open them up and you have your flapping bird. Now to make it flap, you pinch the side like that, and then you just pull on the tail. Alright, you just pull on the tail and it should flap. Okay, and just to make it stand, take these two flaps and then fold it up and take it on the back side. Alright, and fold it up again, and it should stand. Okay, let me know what you think. I'll have a lot more videos on origami or whatever you guys want. Just let me know.